I am reading a storybook. She is singing a song. They are watching a movie. We are going for a walk. He is playing the guitar. You are dancing very well. It is raining heavily. The baby is sleeping now. I am learning new words. She is writing in her diary. They are building a house. He is talking to his friend. The teacher is teaching English. We are cleaning our classroom. I am drinking water. She is cooking breakfast. The kids are running in the park. He is reading the newspaper. They are planting trees. You are working very hard. I am fixing my computer. She is painting a beautiful picture. We are studying for exams. He is driving to work. The birds are flying in the sky. I am watering the plants. She is doing yoga. They are eating their lunch. We are playing indoor games. He is swimming in the pool. The wind is blowing fast. I am typing an email. She is wearing a red dress. They are laughing at a joke. You are helping your parents. We are making a video. I am polishing my shoes. He is checking his messages. She is feeding the dog. They are clapping for the winner. The cat is chasing a mouse. I am getting ready for school. He is brushing his hair. We are waiting for the bus. She is opening the door. I am buying vegetables. They are wearing school uniforms. He is repairing the bike. You are watching the stars. We are writing in our notebooks.